To hard reset your OnePlus 13 using recovery mode, first of all we need to power off our device. And you can do it easily by clicking on the power button and volume up button together at the same time. Click and hold it until you can see this menu where you need to draw that dot to the power off section, or hold it until your device powers off. Just like that. Now that it's off, we can attempt to enter recovery mode by clicking on the power button again and then volume down button at the same time. So click and hold them until you can see the phone turning on. So when you feel this vibration, you can let go, although you can keep holding a volume down button. And here we are. We can change to the English language and confirm it with the power button. You can also try to use a screen if it works for you. Then there's the option to format our data, and we need to confirm it again with the power button and enter verification code. Then confirm a format which will hard reset your device using recovery mode.